What if I told you you could double your brain power just by changing what you eat? Imagine being able to think faster, remember everything with ease, and stay laser focused, all without coffee or energy drinks. Sounds impossible? It's not. Science proves that certain foods can supercharge your brain, boost memory, and increase mental clarity. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to eat every day to make your brain work twice as fast. And most people have no idea about this. Watch until the end because I'll reveal one powerful brain food that almost everyone overlooks. And it could change your life. Let's dive in. Part 1. How food affects your brain. Your brain is like a high-performance engine. What you feed it determines how well it runs. If you put in low-quality fuel, junk food, processed sugar, artificial chemicals, you get brain fog, forgetfulness, and low energy. But when you feed it the right nutrients, your brain becomes a supercomputer, firing on all cylinders, thinking faster, and remembering better. So what should you eat every day to boost your brain power? Let's start with the most powerful brain-boosting foods. Part 2. The ultimate brain foods. You must eat daily. 1. Blueberries, the brain's secret weapon. Blueberries are called brain berries for a reason. Packed with antioxidants that fight brain aging, improve memory and learning ability, boost communication between brain cells. How to eat them. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them fresh every morning. 2. Fatty fish, the best fuel for brain power. Ever. Wonder why people who eat a lot of fish tend to be sharp and focused? That's because fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s build brain cells, reduce brain inflammation, which causes fog and slow thinking, prevent memory loss as you age. How to eat it. Aim for 2-3 servings of fatty fish per week or take a high-quality fish oil supplement. 3. Dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate can make you smarter. Good news, chocolate isn't just delicious, it's a brain booster. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, contains flavonoids that improve blood flow to the brain, natural caffeine that boosts focus, mood-enhancing compounds that fight stress and fatigue. How to eat it. 1 to 2 small squares of dark chocolate daily for a mental boost. 4. Nuts and seeds. Brain power in a handful. Want better memory and sharper thinking? Eat nuts and seeds every day. Rich in vitamin E, which prevents brain aging. Contain healthy fats for brain function. Magnesium and zinc for better focus. Best choices. Walnuts, almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. How to eat them. A small handful as a snack or add to yogurt and salads. 5. Eggs, the brain's memory booster. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient that builds brain cell membranes and improves memory. Choline equals faster thinking and better recall. Packed with B vitamins that fight brain fatigue. Help reduce stress and anxiety. How to eat them. Scrambled, boiled, or as an omelet. Just make sure to eat the yolk. 6. Avocados, brain fuel for maximum focus. Avocados are full of healthy fats that improve brain function, increase blood flow to the brain, boost problem-solving skills and focus, prevent cognitive decline. How to eat them. On toast, in smoothies, or as guacamole. 7. Turmeric, the brain's natural supercharger. Turmeric isn't just a spice. It's a memory booster and anti-aging miracle. Contains curcumin, which fights inflammation in the brain. Boosts dopamine and serotonin. Makes you feel happier and more focused. May help prevent Alzheimer's and slow down brain aging. How to use it. Add turmeric to tea, soups, eggs, or take it as a supplement. 8. Green tea, the ultimate brain drink. Green tea is loaded with compounds that make your brain work faster. Contains L-theanine, which increases focus and relaxation. Boosts dopamine and serotonin. Better mood, better productivity. Helps you stay calm and sharp at the same time. How to drink it. 1 to 2 cups per day for maximum brain power. Part 3. What you must avoid. Now that you know what to eat, let's talk about what you should avoid. Sugary foods and drinks. Slow down brain function, cause energy crashes. Processed junk food. Increases brain fog and memory loss. Too much alcohol. Kills brain cells and damages memory. If you want to think faster, focus better, and have more energy, remove these from your diet. Part 4. The perfect brain-boosting meal plan. Here's how to combine these foods into a daily meal plan for maximum brain power. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with avocado plus green tea. Lunch: grilled salmon with spinach and walnuts. Snack: blueberries and dark chocolate. Dinner: chicken with turmeric, quinoa, and roasted nuts. Eat like this every day, and within weeks you'll notice faster thinking, better memory, more focus, and energy. Now that you know the best brain foods, it's time to put them to use. Which of these foods do you already eat? Which one will you add to your diet? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful tips on brain health and nutrition. Your brain is your most powerful tool. Feed it right, and you'll unlock your full potential. See you in the next video.